Today we're not working in the forge. We're going to be doing some more destructive testing on this wrapped eye axe I made. I have an old rusty leaf spring with a 1095 steel bit welded in it, San Mai style. Now we're going to be testing it. I'm going to strike it broadside with a 9mm. The ammunition we're using for today's test is just a Full Metal Jacket CCI Blazer, 115 grain. I think it's about 1150 feet per second and 330 foot-pounds. A quick disclaimer: it is not safe to shoot hardened steel targets or any steel targets at close range. I've made provisions for it. I'm going to be shielded, have my safety glasses, hearing protection, and an obstacle between me and the target to make sure no shrapnel can come back and hit me. This would definitely be considered one of them don't try at home, things. Alright, let's see what we got. There's the impact. Still solid. Camera focus on it. Oh, it did split. We got a split right there. And right down that side. There we go. Now you can see it. We had a recording malfunction when I fired the shot. You can see the bullet's point of impact right there. Didn't really leave anything on the surface, but it did split the weld about 1.5 inches down right there on the bottom, and probably 3/4 up the cutting edge. I don't know why my camera won't focus. There you see it. But since we didn't catch the bullet impact on camera, I guess we're going to shoot it again. Alright guys, I apologize for the shitty video. Apparently my phone is scared of loud noises, and every time I'd fire it'd stop recording or it would glitch. But anyways, as I'll show you here in a second, I ended up trying to get the footage. I ended up shooting it 4 times, broadsided. All shots pretty much hit right there, except for one that caught it right there. Like I say, all 4 shots, or 3 shots pretty much hit it right there. One shot landed out here. There's pretty much no surface damage. The 5160 spring still held up like a champ. We did break the forge weld. See, the forge weld is broken. The forge weld is split all the way down the bottom. So I guess now the question is, should my forge welds have been able to withstand being hit broadside with a 9mm? I don't know. They didn't. They broke. There's no chipping, no cracking or breaking, just the forge weld split. Which, actually I kind of expected that. That's a lot of shock hitting it broadside. So, I don't know. What do you think?